Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download voice messages from Messenger on a device. Now if you want to download the voice message from Messenger on device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to download the voice message from Messenger, you can't simply download it from Messenger because there is no option on Android or iPhone. Now if you want to download it, you may simply download it from PC, or to download it from a phone you need to open Chrome on a device. You need to open Chrome, and on Chrome you need to simply search Facebook Motion. So this is the Facebook Motion, so you need to simply click on it. You need to log into your account. So after logging in, you need to simply click on the message icon, which will be enabled in this. And on the message icon, if you want to download the voice message from a specific person, you may simply click on the option of download message by clicking on the voice option. So that's it. That's how you can download the voice message from Messenger. I can't show you this step because YouTube won't allow it to me, and it is some kind of privacy for me. So that's it. That's how you can download the voice message from Messenger. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.